Welcome to the demo of our access control inventory system. This system ensures that only authorized users can access specific modules based on their roles. Let's begin with the login screen. We have 3 sample users, an admin, a staff, and a manager, each with distinct access permission. I will log in first as the staff user. After entering the correct credential, the system authenticates the user and grants access to the dashboard. You notice the welcome message shows the login in the username. Staff can only access the inventory tracking module. Let's try clicking it. We are now in the inventory tracking module. The system logs this activity with the timestamp for audit purposes. Now, let's try accessing the stock management module, which is restricted for staff user. As you can see, access is denied. The system displays an error message and logs this unauthorized attempt. This helps us ensure security and traceability.
Now, let's try log in as the admin user. The admin has full access to all modules, inventory, stock management, and transaction logs. This role can view and manage inventory, perform stock updates, and view transaction logs. For security, a session timeout implemented. If the system idle for 1 minute, it will automatically log the user out. This concludes the demo of our access control inventory system. With simple role-based access, activity log, and session control, the system helps secure inventory operation effectively